Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming admin access to hosting, CMS, FTP/SFTP, and DNS so you can make fixes immediately. Next, run a malware scan and a site crawler to locate redirect scripts and suspicious PHP or JS files because knowing where the redirects live saves time. Once done, create a full backup database dump plus site files so you can restore if something breaks. Make sure to note timestamps and recent changes for focused cleanup. You now hunt for the redirect vectors. Search theme files, plugins. htaccess, nginxconf, and PHP includes for obfuscated JavaScript, base64 blobs, eval calls, or meta refresh tags. When you find malicious code, remove only the injected lines or replace the entire infected file with a verified clean copy, because partial edits can miss hidden payloads. Once cleaned, rotate all passwords and API keys, and update plugins and core to close exploited vectors. You finish by clearing caches, server, CDN, and browser, then test the site in multiple browsers and incognito mode to confirm the redirect is gone. Next, harden the site. Apply updates, enable two-factor authentication, enforce least privilege accounts, and add a web application firewall because prevention matters as much as cleanup. If a redirect persists, check DNS records, CDN rules, server cron jobs, and access logs to pinpoint hidden or external sources before repeating removal steps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.